Hi everybody, it's food pantry day today because we didn't get to the food pantry on Tuesday because we went to Caswell's instead, and that's in the totally opposite direction. So today we did the regular food pantry and the mobile food pantry, and this is what we got. Oh, supper's gonna be so good tonight. We got a big old fruit tray. Guess what? Fruit salad on the horizon to go with supper. Yum! I love fruit salad. We got little tomatoes to go with my salad supper. I don't know what I'm feeding the other two yet, but we'll figure out something. We got plums back there, of course. It seems like everybody has a lot of plums. Some great looking bananas for Emma. Bananas aren't my thing. I can't do the texture. I don't know what it is. We got some artisan white bread. Some beautiful chocolate chip caramel cookies. Those look great. Oil. I never have enough vegetable oil in this house because Greg uses it all the time. We have pumpkin spice Cheerios. Greg's going to be so happy to see that. He's a little pumpkin spice boy. We got toilet paper. Who doesn't need that extra roll of toilet paper when you forget to pick it up at the store? Yep, that would be me. We got a Caesar salad kit. That right there is going to help make my salad. We got a couple of cucumbers, an onion, some red bell peppers. I zhuzh those up and put them into things, and my people never know it. We got some rigatoni pasta because Emma said she liked rigatoni, so I grabbed her a box. We got some tomato soup, another tomato soup, and a chicken and rice. I think next time I make a chicken and soup, I'm going to start throwing cans of chicken and rice in there. Because I've got quite a few stocked up. Nobody eats it because of the rice. They just don't. I don't know why. We got some spaghetti noodles. An Olipop watermelon lime. I've never tried one of those. And a little juice box. Emma will snag that. I guarantee it. We got another big head of lettuce so I can do a couple of salads. We got some garlic and some cubed sweet potatoes. I cook those up and just add it to anything that they wouldn't know it's there, like spaghetti sauce and stuff. You can add it right into there. They won't know. We got some leaf lettuce. We got a meals on the go, like ramen noodle type pack. Oh, I think it's couscous. Never seen that. Top ramen chicken. And we got lots of apples. Look, 3 bags of apples. And they look like great little eating apples. Yum. This time of year, nothing better than apples and peanut butter. Just bring that on. I also have a jar of caramel in the bedroom too. So something can be done with that too, maybe. I have extra food storage in my bedroom. I live in a trailer, and we just have hardly any room. So, yeah. We got potatoes. We got some more pears. Emma loved the last ones. We got a couple of things of fresh made bagels. Those look great. I think there's onion and plain, I think. And me and Mom traded out. I had chicken breasts and catfish things. You know I can't do fish. I'm allergic. So she traded me out for her turkey. It's just the breasts and stuff like that. There's no legs or anything on it. So that works out good. We're going to have that this weekend. I know Thanksgiving is coming up. But my family wants ham. The little nuts. I'm still going to do turkey too because I think there needs to be turkey on Thanksgiving. I understand they like ham better. I don't. I like turkey better. We got a big, huge thing of croissants. And plus, if I do up turkey, there's no way it's going to go bad because turkey sandwiches the next couple of days. Oh yeah, I'm all for that. Turkey pot pie, turkey soup, anything with turkey, I'm good. And we got some Greek-style pocketless pita breads and a regular Joseph's Original pita bread. That's what we got in our food pantry haul today. Isn't it beautiful and wonderful? And I am so very, very, very thankful for all of it. Because I tell you what, I wouldn't get fruit salads like I do if I had to buy all the fruit myself. It's just way too expensive, but there's one heck of a fruit salad going to be made tonight. Maybe that's all me and Emma will have. Could be. But that's our food pantry haul for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great, super wonderful, fantastic weekend, everybody.